on fire.
Nana, you wanted a chef, well guess who? Home cooked meal, she will impress you. She's Nana, the saucy chef, what y'all cooking. A lot of y'all don't wanna admit it, but y'all looking. She's Nana, the saucy chef. 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 Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the saucy chef. Today I'm going to be making Korean beef bowls. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 1 pound of ground beef, 1 small onion diced, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. I have scallions for garnish at the end, 1/4 cup of packed brown sugar, 1/4 cup of low sodium soy sauce, 1/4 cup of water. I also have sesame seeds for garnish at the end, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger, and 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. To a pan over medium heat, I'm going to add in my tablespoon of olive oil. I'm going to let that come to temperature. Now I'm going to add in my onion, and we're going to let that saute for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you want to add in your minced garlic. Let that saute for 1 minute. After 1 minute, you can add in your ground beef. We're going to go ahead and break that down and make sure it's mixed in well with our onion and garlic. Now you want to let your ground beef cook until it's brown all the way through. Now we're going to make our sauce. To a measuring cup, I'm going to add in my water, soy sauce, rice vinegar, sesame oil, red pepper flakes, ground ginger, our pepper, and also our packed brown sugar. Now we're just going to mix it until it's well combined. Once your ground beef is done cooking, you want to go ahead and drain it of all excess grease. Now you want to add your sauce mixture to your ground beef. You want your heat on medium-low, and we're just going to mix it so all the ground beef is nicely coated. And you want to allow it to cook for 7 to 10 minutes. Make sure you stir occasionally, and as you can see, the sauce is beginning to thicken up. Okay guys, it's now done. Okay guys, so I had already made my white rice. As you can see, I have my sesame seeds and my scallions. All you want to do is put some rice at the bottom of a bowl, and then we're just going to top it with our beef. Okay guys, now I'm just going to go in with some scallions. And also my sesame seeds. Okay guys, so here we have it, our Korean beef bowl. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?